Join us as we celebrate Nigeria's 65th Independence Day today. On October 1st, 1960, Nigeria gained independence from British colonial rule. This day reminds us of the sacrifices and vision of our freedom fighters. In 2025, as Nigeria celebrates 65 years of independence, it's a time for both celebration and reflection. It's an opportunity to honor the past, assess the present, and embrace renewed hope for the future. Nigeria's independence marked not the end of a struggle, but the beginning of a new chapter, filled with both triumphs and challenges. The early years of self-rule brought expectations of growth, unity, and prosperity. Despite political instability, civil war, economic struggles, and insecurity, Nigeria has remained resilient and united. Nigerians continue to shine on the global stage in literature, arts, science, sports, and business, showcasing abundant talent and potential. Nigeria, home to over 200 million people and 250 ethnic groups, is one of the world's most diverse nations. From the Hausa Fulani to the Yoruba, Igbo, and many minority groups, Nigeria is a vibrant national mosaic. Nigerian music, film, and art, celebrated worldwide, draw strength from this rich diversity. Independence Day 2025 reminds us that unity must be nurtured through justice, fairness, and mutual respect. What binds us is stronger than what divides us. At 65, Nigeria's independence journey continues. True freedom extends beyond political sovereignty to social justice and citizen well-being. Nigerians still demand quality education, reliable healthcare, security, infrastructure, and opportunities for dignity and prosperity. Nigeria's greatest strength lies not only in its natural resources, but in its people, their resilience, creativity, and determination. As the country looks forward, there's an opportunity to strengthen democracy, ensure inclusive growth, and translate independence into true freedom for all. On October 1st, 2025, as the green and white flag rises, it symbolizes both freedom and responsibility. The green and white flag represents not just freedom, but also the collective responsibility of every Nigerian. Nigeria's Independence Day at 65 is more than a holiday. It's a call to action for every citizen to build a future defined by unity, peace, and progress. With collective effort, faith, and determination, the vision of its founding fathers can be fulfilled for generations to come. Nigeria celebrates its achievements while acknowledging challenges.
Hello, happy Independence Day, Nigeria. God bless our great nation. Today, I am honored to celebrate with my fellow Nigerians, united in our diversity and rich heritage. May this bring us joy, peace, and hope for a brighter future. God bless Nigeria, and may our nation continue to thrive. Thank you. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
Journey continues.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. From Right for Education Africa.
This was prepared by Mercy Omali from Nigeria.